A very pleasant morning to all of you. Myself, Aman, and I am here standing from Standard Names. And here is my team, Abzi, and we are representing Chandrayaan Third Mission, which is basically united that why we are celebrating the National Space Day. Because on this day, our Chandrayaan Third, which is successfully landed on the northern pole of the moon, which create a history in the world. Our country become the first country which is successfully landed on the moon surface, southern pole of the surface. This day, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi celebrate that we are celebrating the National Space Day. Space Day, and we encourage our scientists. And this day is not our success, but this success is our whole Indians. That's why we celebrate National Space Day. And the rest of the things, my friend Ajit will.
यहाँ पर हमने जो है कोशिश किया है कि चंद्रयान 3 के जो है सक्सेस को हम शो कर सकें। यहाँ पर LVM-3 M4 नामक व्हीकल के जरिए जो है हमारे चंद्रयान को लॉन्च किया गया। अब चंद्रयान जो है इसको लॉन्च करने के लिए हमारे पास 2 बूस्टर्स यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट हैं। ये दोनों बूस्टर्स का काम थे कि हमारे चंद्रयान को कुछ ऊपर तक ले जाएं, और ले जाने के बाद ये दोनों ही बूस्टर्स जो है अलग हो गए। इसके बाद हमारा L11 लिक्विड स्टेज सेकंड बूस्टर स्टार्ट होता है। ये सेकंड बूस्टर का काम था कि हमारे अर्थ ऑर्बिट में सैटेलाइट को ले जा सके। अब सैटेलाइट को वहाँ ले जाने के बाद ये जो है हमारे अर्थ के चारों तरफ घूमना शुरू करेगा। अब अर्थ के चारों तरफ घूमना शुरू करेगा, ये अपने डिस्टेंस को इंक्रीज़ करेगा, और डिस्टेंस को इंक्रीज़ करते करते ये हमारे मून के ऑर्बिट में एंटर करेगा। अब मून के ऑर्बिट में एंटर करने के बाद ये अपने डिस्टेंस को धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज़ करेगा ताकि ये मून को अप्रोच कर सके। अब डिस्टेंस को डिक्रीज़ करते 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 ये 100 बाई 100 किलोमीटर्स की एरिया को कवर करते हुए एक सर्कुलर पाथ क्रिएट करेगा, जिसके जरिए हमारा जो अब ऑर्बिटल है वो अलग हो जाएगा और जो विक्रम लैंडर से वो अलग हो जाएगा। विक्रम लैंडर जो है अपना उसका काम है कि अब वो हमारे मून के सरफेस की तरफ बढ़े, एंड 3 स्टेजेस में वो मून के सरफेस पे बढ़ेगा। पहला जो स्टेज होता है वो होता है हमारे पास फाइन ब्रेकिंग फेज, सेकंड स्टेज होता है हमारे पास कैमरा कोस्टिंग फेज, एंड थर्ड फेज होता है हमारे पास रफ स्टेज होता है हमारे पास, जो कि यहाँ पर मून के अप्रोचिंग को शो करता है। इसके बाद सेकंड हमारा जो फेज था कैमरा कोस्टिंग फेज, वहाँ पर हमारी जो ऑर्बिटर हैं उस तक जो है सिग्नल्स को ये भेजेगा। सैटेलाइट्स का काम है वहाँ पर कि ये जो है हमारे कैमरास को एक्टिवेट करके जो भी सॉइल के टाइप्स हैं उनको ये कलेक्ट करेगा। इसके बाद ये जो है अपने थर्ड स्टेज में जो कि फाइन ब्रेकिंग फेज होता है, वहाँ पर इसकी एक्चुअल लैंडिंग होगी। अब ये जो है अपनी ओरिएंटेशंस को मेंटेन करते हुए, अपनी एटीट्यूड को मेंटेन करते हुए एक टिल्टेशंस को रेगुलेट करेगा, जो कि है 14 डिग्री। अब 14 डिग्री पे रेगुलेशंस के बाद ये जो है 90 डिग्री पे सीधा हो जाएगा, परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा। इसके बाद इसके चारों जो बूस्टर्स हैं वो बंद हो जाएंगे, एंड थर्ड जो बूस्टर है हमारा मेन बूस्टर वो ऑन होगा ताकि इसकी सक्सेसफुली लैंड करवाई जा सके। अब ये जो हमारा सैटेलाइट है चंद्रयान, वो धीरे धीरे जो है मून के सरफेस पे लैंड कर जाएगा, एंड लैंड करने के बाद ये जो है उसके सारे के सारे सेंसर्स एक्टिवेट हो जाएंगे। अब सेंसर्स एक्टिवेट होने का मेन कारण ये है कि वो सॉइल की क्लाइमेट को चेक कर सके, वहाँ के वातावरण को चेक कर सके कि कंडीशंस रिक्वायर है कि नहीं प्रज्ञान को बाहर निकलने के लिए। अब धीरे से जो है इसका ये गेट खुलेगा, एंड प्रज्ञान जो है बाहर निकलेगा और उसके चारों तरफ रोमिंग करेगा, चारों तरफ जो है मून के सरफेस पे घूमेगा, और सिर्फ 14 डेज तक जो है वो एक्टिवेट रहेगा। बिकॉज 14 डेज तक इसके सोलर पैनल्स काम करेंगे, क्योंकि सोलर एनर्जी जो है उसको सिर्फ 14 डेज तक ही मिलता है, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि जो चंद्रमा पे दिन और रात होती हैं सिर्फ 14 डेज की होती हैं। इसके बाद यहाँ पर इसके काम खत्म हो जाएंगी, एंड देन इसके बाद हमारा सिर्फ एक्टिवेट होगा ये विक्रम लैंडर्स। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू।
On this auspicious occasion of National Space Day, we are going to present our poster on the Gaganyaan, India's first future human space flight mission. This poster highlights its goal, technologies, and how this mission is a milestone in India's space journey. So let us start. First of all, this mission will be going to launch in future 2027 under ISRO, Indian Space and Research Organization. This mission aims to send 3 astronauts in the lower Earth orbit at 400 km of altitude for 3 days and bring them back safely. This mission aims to demonstrate human spaceflight capability. It also aims to develop life support like oxygen, temperature, and all the things which are related to life. And the main aim of this mission is that it will become the lay foundation of India's National Space Station. This mission, this Gaganyaan will be launched through the LM-3, which is the heaviest rocket of the ISRO, which has 3 stages, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Stage 1 will be the S-200 solid boosters that gives the first big push to the rocket. Stage 2 will be 110 liquid engines that controls its speed and direction in the space. And the stage 3 will be 625 chronic engines that works in the space and launch this mission in its design destination. Module which weighs 3 ton. It has two parts, crew module and service module. Crew module, it pressurizes the astronauts. It also controls the temperature, provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. And the service module provides life support. Now these are the astronauts who will become the part of this mission, that is Captain Prashant Balakrishna Nair, Wing Commander Shubhanshu Shukla, Captain Angad Pratap and Captain Arjit Krishnan. This mission will be launched through the collaboration of various countries. Russia will be helping in training, France will be giving space medicine and astronaut life support. Shubhanshu Shukla was also remain a part of Axiom 4 mission, which was launched on 25th June 2025. He aimed to be the part of 60 experiments.
जहाँ तक नजर जाए वहाँ तक भारत का सपना जाए.
India in space, inspiring today, leading tomorrow.
Good morning everyone, this is me Satma Khan and we are gathered here on the occasion of National Space Day for August 23, 2025, and we celebrate this day to mark the achievement of Chandrayaan 3. Our poster is based on a theme, India's glorious past to a shining future. Over to you, Bhumi.
Our poster justifies our title. Now let us take a look to our glorious past. Every dream needs a visionary. For India, it was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. At the top of the poster, we have Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, whose dream gave birth to ISRO. Our journey starts from Aryabhat, India's first satellite, which became an inspiration. With Mangalyaan, India became the first nation to reach Mars with Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 3 and our recent solar projects Aditya L1. This represents our great glorified success in space exploration programs. It's not just about the satellite, it's about the milestone of space exploration program. Aryabhat से Chandrayaan तक भारत का सफर आसमान पर.
At the center, we have highlighted the practical benefits of space technology, like weather forecasting, national disaster, GPS, communication and navigation. This was how space research, including the lives of common people, dreams of today are the discoveries of tomorrow. अंतरिक्ष की खोज है विशेष, जीवन पर है और भी सुखमय और विशेष.
Yes, you are right, Shashi. Dreams of today are the discoveries of tomorrow. So now let me take you to the last part of our poster, that is the shining future. In the last part of our poster, we have shown the future dreams. A girl dreaming rocket. This girl symbolizes the youth who will take the nation beyond stars. We have viewed Chandrayaan 3, Aditya L1 and Mangalyaan. This shows that our glorious past has attracted the attentions of youth towards the subject of astronomy and space research, and just not being in the ordinary paths of just being doctors and engineers. This shows that how today's dreams are shaping tomorrow's reality. सपनों को सच करने का है इरादा, वह अंतरिक्ष में गूंजे भारत का नारा. The journey from Aryabhat to Aditya L1 is a proof that scientific research, the space exploration of India is not just based on science. It is about national pride, courage and dreams. Truly, our glorious past is leading to a shining future. ज्ञान और विज्ञान से रचने कहानी, भारत की होगी अंतरिक्ष में निशानी. And with this, India is ready to lead the universe with pride. That's it. Thank you so much. And all the credit of the drawing poster goes to people. Thank you so much.
Good morning, my name is Ankur from class 9 and our team name was Missile Master.
Good morning, my name is Satyam from class 9 and our team name is Missile Masters.
Our team was present a poster on occasion of National Sports Day and National Space Day, and we have made this satellite which name was Nisar and which was launched by a launching vehicle which name was GSLV F-16, and the weight of the satellite Nisar was 2800 kg and the weight of the launcher vehicle GSLV F-16 was 420 pounds.
and its main conclusion was to management the climatic conditions and disasters happening in the environment, and to in future the global environment research organization works on it, and it ensures that it does not happen in future.
Its main objective was to monitorize ice deformation and earth lands, and at a high resolution coverage area which is best for management disaster.
Good morning, everyone.
Thank
This is me, Dikshita.
Me, Sim, me, Ishita, me, Prakash.
We are here to present our presentation on the National Space Day. We welcome you to our poster presentation about India's space program that has made glorious achievement into space. Let's get into the fascinating topic, Flight for Pride, India's glory into space.
August 23rd is a day to honor India's research in exploration program. Our nation has made terrible strides in this development of the nation.
Space is a foreign trees and the mystery that has been a human's imagination for centuries.
From the twinkling stars in the night sky to the majestic galaxies that lie beyond our reach, space inspires awe and curiosity.
From the launch of Aryabhat, our first satellite, to the successful deployment of Mangalyaan mission to Mars.
ISRO has consistently pushed the boundary of the space technology.
The Chandrayaan missions have not only successfully demonstrated India's capability to reach the moon, but it also gives valuable insight about its composition and geology. ISRO is the driving force behind India's space achievement and glorification.
And as we celebrate this achievement, it acknowledges the brilliant mind behind them. The scientist is Abdul Kalam, Homer H. Bhabha और विक्रम साराभाई.
अंतरिक्ष में उड़ान हमने भरी है, चांद पर सैर हमने करी है। हम उस देश के नागरिक हैं जिसने हर मुश्किल उड़ान को आसानी से करने की कोशिश करी है।
Let's look at the space program, the Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan, India is the first Asian country which successfully entered the Mars orbit in maiden attempt by the launch of Mangalyaan.
Chandrayaan 3. India became the first nation to land successfully on Moon's South Pole, a major technological feat.
PSLV, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, is crucial for India's space program. It has launched many space programs for foreign countries around the world. It is known as ISRO's workhorse for its reliability and versatility. It sets a world record of launching 400 satellites in a single year in 2017, solidifying India's role in international space market.
Aditya L1, India's first dedicated space-based solar observatory designed to study sun. It is a major step towards the glorification of India's space program.
This mission will contribute the better understanding of the sun and its influence on the solar system.
India's tricolor flag waves high in the space, symbolizing our nation's pride and progress. Proudly to be a part of country that has achieved so much glory. I want to conclude this explanation with few lines that would relate to the glory of India's space achievement. Reach for the stars and make the impossible possible. Space is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Thank you.
And the students as well, because they are the one who makes us learn a lot each and every day. As you all know, on 23rd August, we have celebrated second National Space Day by organizing poster competition, and today we are going to prize distribution. In this, participants showcase India's remarkable achievement in the space research, space technology by drawing Chandrayaan 3, Gaganyaan mission, Mangalyaan mission, all these, and the way you all showcase your inner skills and explain it very well is truly remarkable and admirable. Now, proceeding to the further, there are total 8 teams and each team has 4 students, and it is a very tough competition, and the result is here as per the cumulative marking of our judges. Now I request Principal Sir to come on the stage and honor the students with the prize. Team Manisha. Srishti, Mansi and Joina are there in the team.
Hello. Please encourage the students. Please teachers clap, and all the students, you must learn something. Please keep on clapping.
At the 7th position, there's a team Ayushman, Humam Raza, Ankur and Satyam.
Congratulations, students. Please keep on clapping. Clap कीजिए. अभी आप लोग कीजिए. Congratulations, the students. You have participated.
Now at the 6th position, team Ishika.
Team Ishika.
Team Ishika, Chandni, Arushi, Vandana.
Come on, hurry up. Prize देने में इतनी देर. Congratulations.
5th position goes to team Avni. Avni Rai, Pooja, Diksha Maurya and Anvesha Bhardwaj. Now, the 4th position. The 4th position goes to team Vanshika. Vanshika, Apurva Sanvi, Shanvi and Sakshi Patel.
Congratulations, Vanshika and team. Please keep on clapping. Appreciate the students with your clapping.
Now, with a great explanation and great poster, the team at the 3rd position is team Abhijit.
Congratulations, Abhijit.
Team Abhijit.
Abhijit's explanation was really very nice. He has explained as if he is a teacher in that day. So very good explanation.
One of the compliment is given by Pitesh sir is he is explaining like a Khan sir. And now the thrilling and exciting moment, the 2nd position goes to team Sajma.
You must be happy. There is no first prize. There is no first prize.
There is no first prize. Okay. So now, with the flying colors, the team Dikshita at the first.
Congratulations, students. Please keep on clapping, everyone.
Now, every year our school trying to do something new. Last year we have done debate competition, and now this year we came with the poster competition. And upcoming event like craft competition, drawing, writing, rangoli, these all are in the way. And these activities help the student to show their inner skills and boost their confidence. And thank you all the teachers and everyone. Without your effort, it is not easy to manage everything. So thank you so much.